morning, everybody. Here we go. Alright, Samsung's running. All this stuff's running. This small generator's running. I got 120 coming out over here. This is going down and going into the first transformer, the 15 kW. The yellow wire is that input. The light is on, so I know I'm getting energy to the light. And I've got, that's coming from this panel here. I've also got a fan on this. Now listen carefully to what the generator does. Now the generator is loaded down, alright? So let's take a current measurement. Now we know from the last video that this was reading now it's reading 3.25 amps to run this setup. It was 4.25 with no, well it was running a light bulb. Now let's measure the current going through this system. Now this is 0.78 amps. So that's 120 volts radiation going into this first transformer. No electrons hardly at all. Enough are leaking through to give you 0.8 amps. So I'm running these two small devices, and let's see what the current is over here. This is 0.35 amps right here. So that's interesting. It's interesting. What's really interesting is this, the current, the power driving the motor hasn't changed. Yet the generator is loaded down a little bit more. It's changed its pitch. So that's really weird that the input current from yesterday with just a small lamp on it was 4.25 amps, and now that's actually reduced down. And just a few minutes ago when I read it, it was 4.2 amps running the motor. So apparently as things warm up, they get a little bit more efficient. And so this is all very interesting. So now we know that what Gerard was doing, he had my generator, I don't know what that is. That's a Mac, I don't know, maybe 1200 watts maximum, 700 watts, I don't really know. I'll have to figure that out. But as far as the radiant energy portion of this thing, it's all running. And when you measure the voltage coming out of this down here on the second transformer, it actually reads right around 0 volts. And and yet the fan and stuff is running. So this is pretty cool. Gerard's 6,000 watts. His generator was a lot stronger than mine, and his first pole transformer was 50 kW, and mine's 15, and the second one of mine is 15. Now that means the plates inside were much larger. I mean 3 times the size of what I got here, and that means a lot more radiant energy was available to being pumped through the system into the second transformer during his test. But this is fascinating. I don't know where we're going to go with this, but anyway, have a good one.